Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to solve the question number 2 in exercise 3.4 in the trigonometry chapter for class 11 students. So before going to that, please subscribe our channel Yadum Kelir Academy so that you can get updates immediately. Okay, so let's move on to the question number 2. So if sin A is equal to 3 by 5 and cos B is equal to 9 by 41, where A lies between 0 and pi by 2 and B lies between 0 and pi by 2, find the value of sin A plus B and cos A minus B. So now we know the formulas for these two, sin A plus B and cos A minus B. That is, your sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and your cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So to solve these two equations, we should first know what is your sin A cos B, cos A sin B. Here we know the two values, that is sin A and cos B, but we have to know two more values, that are your sin B and cos A. Your cos A and sin B, that we should know. So to know those two values, we should first take these sin A separately and cos B separately and solve these equations to get your cos A values and sin B values. So we know that your sin A, what is your sin A in trigonometric ratio? That is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Let's draw a triangle ABC. Here, let's the angle lies in the point A. So, your BC is the opposite side here and AC is the hypotenuse here and AB is your adjacent. So, here from this triangle, your sin A is opposite by hypotenuse. That means BC divided by AC. So, BC divided by AC is your sin A, that is 3 by 5. So, first we should calculate the AB value, that is x, that is adjacent in the triangle. Okay. So, to know the adjacent value, we can apply Pythagoras theorem and get the adjacent easily by adjacent is equal to square root of hypotenuse square minus opposite square, that we have already know that formula. Okay. So adjacent is equal to square root of hypotenuse square minus opposite square. So that your AB is equal to square root of 5 square minus 3 square. That is, your hypotenuse is 5 and your opposite is 3. So 5 square minus 3 square. So which is equal to square root of 25 minus 9, and this will result in square root of 16. Therefore, square root of 16 is 4. So, your AB is 4. Now, we have find out the value for your adjacent side. Then, you can easily know what is your cos A. What is your cos A? That is adjacent divided by hypotenuse is your cos A. So, that we can write your cos A as adjacent is 4 and your hypotenuse is 5. So that your cos A is 4 divided by 5. So this is the value for your cos A. So now we have find out the value for cos A. Then from cos B we can find out your sin B easily. Okay. So let's see how can we find out the sin B value. Okay. So now your cos B is 9 by 41. So like in previous, we can draw a triangle DEF with the angle B. So here your EF is the opposite side and DE is the adjacent side. DF is your hypotenuse side. So we can write your cos B as adjacent by hypotenuse, and here your adjacent is DE and hypotenuse is DF. So DE by DF. So we can find this EF easily with the help of Pythagoras theorem. So your EF is what? Your EF is the square root of DF square minus DE square here. Okay. So EF is square root of DF square minus DE square, that is 41 square minus 9 square. Okay. So this is a big big one, so we can solve this with the help of the formula a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is what? Your a plus b into a minus b. So that we can write this as a plus b into a minus b means your 41 plus 9 into 41 minus 9. So 41 plus 9 is 50 and 41 minus 9 is 32. So now we can write this 50 as 25 into 2 and 32 as 16 into 2. So 25 into 2 into 16 into 2. So 25 root 25 is 5, root 16 is 4, and this is 2 into 2 4, so root 4 is 2. Okay, so root 25 is 5, root 16 is 4, and root 4 is 2. Okay, so now your EF is 5 into 4 is 20, 20 into 2 is 40. So now your EF is 40. So now we have found out the opposite side now. So we can get easily the value for sin B. So what is your sin B? Your sin B is the opposite side divided by hypotenuse side. So that 40 divided by 41. So that's how your value sin B came. That is your sin B is 40 divided by 41. That is opposite divided by hypotenuse. So now we have all the values for sin A, sin B, cos A, cos B. So then we can solve easily for sin A minus B and sin A plus B and cos A minus B. So from triangle ABC we have find out what? Your cos A. That is your sin A is 3 by 5, so that your cos A is 4 by 5. And from triangle DEF we have found out what? Your sin B, that is your cos B is 9 by 41, so that your sin B is 40 divided by 41. So in first division we have to solve sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So your sin A is 3 by 5 and cos B is 9 by 41, and your cos A is 4 by 5 and sin B is 40 divided by 41. So 3 by 5 into 9 by 41 is your 27 divided by 205 plus your 4 by 5 into 40 by 41 is your 160 divided by 205. So your 27 plus 160 is your 187. So your sin A plus B is 187 divided by 205. Likewise, we can find out your cos A minus B too. So, your cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So, your cos A is 4 by 5 and your cos B is 9 by 41. Your sin A is 3 by 5 and sin B is 40 by 41. Okay. So, 4 into 9 is 36 and 41 into 5 is 205. So 3 into 40 is 120 and 5 into 41 is 205. So that 36 divided by 205 plus 120 divided by 205. So the resultant is 156 divided by 205. So this is your cos A minus B. So we have find out the values for sin A plus B and cos A minus B here. So first we have found out cos A value from the sin A value by using Pythagoras theorem, and then we have find out your sin B value from cos B value also by using Pythagoras theorem, and then we have solved sin A plus B and cos A minus B by using the formulas here. Okay. So this is a very easy problem. There is no complexity in this. So we should just know what is Pythagoras theorem and what is the trigonometric ratios and what is the formula for sin A plus B and cos A minus B. So these and all I have already discussed in basic trigonometric formulas part 1 and part 2. So please refer to that videos first, and then so that you can easily um, know how to solve this problem. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So if you have any doubts and questions, you can ask me through yadimkeli20@gmail.com. If you want any more problems to be solved by me, just comment in the comment section, so the videos will be come to you. Okay, thank you.